Let's guide you through the Precision Brewer's inbuilt features, including AutoStart, child lock, standby mode, and the degree indicator. AutoStart ensures your coffee has brewed as soon as you're up. Here's how to program it. Choose your filter basket. Use the select dial to set the brew mode. Fill the water tank and pop in the brew basket with mesh basket or paper filter. Add your ground coffee. Insert your cup or the carafe and lock the lid. Next, press the Auto Start button. Oh, if you haven't set the machine's clock, it'll prompt you before you can use this function. Rotate the select dial to set your desired Auto Start time. And finally, press the select dial to confirm it. Auto Start will now brew at the time you set. Want to cancel Auto Start? Just press the Start Cancel button. Remember, each time you unplug the machine from the power outlet, the clock resets, and you'll need to reprogram the clock time. Ah, coffee always tastes better when someone makes it for you. Next, we have the child lock option, which ensures the safety and protection of children. To activate, press and hold the Auto Start button for 5 seconds. The LCD will display CL when the child lock is on. To unlock the machine, simply repeat this process or unplug the machine from the power outlet. Now for standby mode. When set, the machine automatically enters standby mode after a period of no use. To set this, go to Settings, then Standby. Rotate the select dial to adjust the standby time, and press the select dial to confirm. However, if you want to enter standby mode at any time, press the Start Cancel button for 3 seconds. Another helpful feature, the degree indicator function, allows you to adjust between Fahrenheit and Celsius, which is useful when following international craft coffee recipes, and especially helpful for those in a different region away from home. To do this, press the Select dial and Auto Start button together. Release both buttons and rotate the Select dial to your preferred temperature measurement, then press the Select dial to set it.